My name's Hunter Prendergast. I'm a computer engineer and a blockchain architect. Today I'm going to be talking for 1 minute on proof of work versus proof of stake. Proof of work is a mechanism of securing a blockchain by ensuring that all transactions mined are valid and only included if they don't violate the rules of the consensus algorithm. The reason that it secures a blockchain in this way is that it costs physical dollars in terms of energy and investment in actual hardware to do the work function of finding a unique solution to this complex mathematical problem. Stake-based assurance of consensus operates in the same way, except instead of investing in actual hardware and electricity, you invest in the actual asset that's being protected. Thus, if you lie in the consensus algorithm, you literally burn down the value of your own investment. This means that in both cases, you're ensuring integrity of the network through the operation of including transactions.